One of the most exhausting feelings in the world is feeling like everyone else moved forward while you're trying to survive. And now you feel pressure to fix everything immediately, to catch up academically, financially, emotionally, mentally. But trying to rebuild your entire life in one night usually leads to more burnout. Social media makes healing look fast, like everybody suddenly wakes up motivated, disciplined, and completely transformed. But real recovery usually looks slower than that. Real recovery looks like rest without guilt, rebuilding routines slowly, learning yourself again, having good days and difficult days, trying again even after setbacks. And honestly, that process deserves more compassion than shame. Because surviving emotionally difficult seasons takes energy too. You do not need to rush your life because other people appear ahead of you. Everyone's timeline looks different. And sometimes the strongest thing you could do is stop treating yourself like a machine that only deserves kindness when it performs well. Your value did not disappear when your productivity changed. You are still worthy on slow days, still worthy during rebuilding seasons, still worthy while figuring things out. So maybe this month doesn't need to be about being perfect. Maybe it could just be about being present again, drinking water again, sleeping again, trying again, breathing again. That matters too, more than you think. If you're rebuilding yourself slowly right now, I hope you know that slow healing is still healing. You are not behind in life. You are just recovering from things that require more strength than people realize. And you deserve the time it takes to feel like yourself again.